this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung phone. So if it's frozen or something, just hold down the power button and the volume down button and that'll reset it. But to hard reset it and factory reset it, we want to hold down the power button and then go to power right here and tap it again. And this will turn it off. Now we have to wait for it to be completely turned off. And then we want to go to the power button, the Bixby button, and the volume up button. Hold all three of those down at the same time. So let's do that now, and they'll put into the recovery mode. So all three of these buttons, volume up, Bixby, and then the volume button up. So let's do all these. And I'm going to continue to hold these three buttons down until the name of my phone goes away, and it'll launch into the recovery mode. So that went away, and now I should have all these different options on here. So if I focus in on my camera, I can use the keys on the side to operate, go up and down. So let's just go to, I got system reboot right there. I need to get a little bit closer so I can see. And then I can go on down to the option for wipe data and reset. Now to do this, all I have to do is press the power button and it'll go ahead and just reset everything. So volume up or down to move, and then press the power button to select. So just go to wipe data and reset, and you should be good to go now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.